Hey, welcome back. Quick question though. Are you more of a script font person or a cursive font fan? Let me know in the comments. But whichever style you prefer, today I'm gonna show you how to add any font you want into Templett and how to easily manage all the fonts in your library. All right, let's get started. First things first, before you upload a font, make sure you have the rights to use it, whether it's a commercial font or a free one. And you also need the right file type. Templett supports TTF, OTF, or WOFF files. So if you've got that, you're good to go. I'd recommend uploading the TTF version though. Now we're starting off in the design area. Let's click on text and add a text box. Don't worry about what's inside for now. We're just using it to show the process. You'll see 3 tabs up top: Upload, Manage, and Buy. Go ahead and click on Upload. This will open up your file browser. If you're on a Mac, it'll be your Finder window. Just navigate to where your font file is saved. Remember, it's gotta be in the TTF, OTF, or WOFF format. Once you've found your font, click on it and hit Open. Boom! You'll see a little progress bar as the font uploads, and then ta-da! Your font is ready to use. Now, let's test it out. Click on the drop-down menu again. Search the font you just purchased, and there it is. Your new font is right there. Just select it and you're all set to start designing with your unique font style. But what if you want to manage your fonts? Turn some on, turn some off, or even browse through Templett's massive library of over 800 fonts? Let's head over to the Manage Fonts tab. Here you can see all the fonts you've uploaded, any fonts you've purchased from the Templett shop, and the full collection of Templett's fonts. Just use these toggles next to each font to turn them on or off. This is super helpful if you want to clean up your font list and keep only your favorites visible. See? Quick and easy. And anytime you want to add more fonts, just head back to Upload or check out the Buy Fonts tab for even more options from the Templett shop. So there you have it, a full walkthrough on uploading and managing fonts in Templett. Whether you're adding a new script font to make your wedding template stand out, or just trying to keep your font library organized, Templett's got you covered. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of Templett. And as always, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help out. Until next time, happy designing.